As motorcycling gains popularity among commuters and enthusiasts alike, choosing the right tire has never been more important. Modern riders seek tires that offer superior traction, durability, and comfort across various terrains. In this guide, we review the best motorcycle tires available on Amazon, evaluating tread design, rubber compound, grip performance, and value. Whether you ride cruisers,
List number 1. Dunlop American Elite AE2 130/60B19 Front Tire. The Dunlop American Elite AE2 130/60B19 is a premium front tire built specifically for American V-twin touring motorcycles. Engineered in the USA, it offers outstanding handling, long tread life, and superior stability on both wet and dry surfaces. This tire features Dunlop's multi-tread, or MT technology, which uses a hard compound in the center for extended mileage and softer compounds on the shoulders for enhanced cornering grip. The result is a tire that delivers smooth handling and consistent performance through varying conditions. Its advanced tread pattern efficiently channels water away, reducing hydroplaning risks, while its reinforced carcass design provides excellent load-bearing capability for heavy touring bikes. Motorcyclists praise the AE2 for its balance between comfort and endurance, making it ideal for long-distance riders. If you want a dependable front tire that blends durability with premium performance, the Dunlop American Elite AE2 is a top-tier choice.
List number 2. SR777 Motorcycle Front Tire Size 130/6019 Heavy-Duty Bias Ply. The SR777 Heavy-Duty Bias Ply Front Tire by Shinko is designed for cruiser and touring riders who demand both strength and stability. Its reinforced carcass ensures excellent load capacity, making it ideal for larger bikes or riders who often carry passengers and luggage. With a 130/6019 size specification, this tire offers exceptional grip on various road surfaces. The deep tread design enhances traction in both wet and dry conditions while promoting even wear for longer life. Shinko uses a specially formulated rubber compound that provides reliable cornering control and braking response. Its bias ply construction contributes to a smooth and stable ride even at highway speeds. Riders appreciate the SR777 for its excellent value, delivering near-premium performance at an affordable price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet reliable front motorcycle tire, the SR777 stands out as one of the best options for cruisers and touring machines. List number 3. Dunlop D404 Rear Motorcycle Tire 170-80-15 77H Black Wall. The Dunlop D404 170-80-15 rear tire is a classic choice for cruiser enthusiasts seeking comfort and stability. Inspired by Harley-Davidson OE designs, it offers excellent handling and long-lasting tread life. Constructed with a bias ply design, the D404 provides a smooth ride and consistent contact patch for better traction. Its unique tread pattern enhances water dispersion, offering reliable wet weather performance. The black wall styling adds a clean, timeless aesthetic that complements most cruiser bikes. This tire's load rating of 77H ensures dependable performance for heavy motorcycles, while its rounded profile improves cornering stability. Dunlop's advanced rubber compound delivers a balance of grip and mileage, making it perfect for daily riders and touring enthusiasts. Motorcyclists love its dependable handling and quiet ride. For those wanting a trusted rear tire that balances performance, durability, and value, the Dunlop D404 remains a proven favorite in the cruiser community.
List number 4. Dunlop Tire American Elite AE2 Rear 180/65B16 81H Bias TL. The Dunlop American Elite AE2 180/65B16 rear tire is the ultimate companion for riders who value long-distance endurance. Built using Dunlop's multi-tread technology, this tire provides exceptional mileage from its harder central compound, while maintaining excellent cornering traction through softer side zones. Its bias construction ensures a comfortable ride, superior load handling, and reduced vibration, perfect for heavy touring motorcycles. The AE2's advanced tread pattern enhances grip and stability, even in rain or challenging road conditions. Engineered in the USA, the American Elite AE2 series represents Dunlop's commitment to premium performance and quality craftsmanship. Riders frequently praise this model for its extended tread life, precise handling, and confidence-inspiring performance on highways and back roads alike. For those seeking a rear tire that matches strength with comfort and longevity, the Dunlop AE2 180/65B16 delivers reliability that seasoned touring riders trust.
List number 5. Dunlop D404 Metric Cruiser Front Tire 130/90/16. The Dunlop D404 130/90/16 front tire is tailored for metric cruiser motorcycles and offers a smooth, stable ride under varying conditions. Its bias ply construction ensures durability and consistent road feedback, while the advanced tread pattern provides optimal traction in wet and dry conditions. The D404's specially formulated compound promotes long tread life without sacrificing grip. Its rounded profile and flexible carcass enhance cornering control, delivering predictable handling at both low and high speeds. This tire's design draws from years of Dunlop's cruiser heritage, making it a go-to option for riders who prioritize comfort and reliability. It also pairs perfectly with Dunlop's D404 rear model for a balanced ride. Riders consistently report quieter performance, reduced vibration, and great stability at highway speeds. If you're after a dependable front tire for your cruiser, the Dunlop D404 Metric Cruiser is a proven performer trusted by thousands of riders.